Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Von DUPRIN number 090066. This is a package of 10 top latch compression springs, and I have one removed from the packaging so we can take a closer look at it. Give you some basic dimensional properties as well. Overall length, I would say 1.127. 1.127 is the length. Diameter, outside diameter of the spring, 0.27 inch, 0.27, and then a wire diameter, 0.025. 0.025 is the wire diameter. So it's a replacement spring. They're only sold in packs of 10. There is some information, some supporting documents down below, and let's switch to the screen view so we can take a look at that. Thank you. So this is the item that we're looking at. Shows us a little line art drawing of where that spring comes into play. Okay. And, you know, springs fatigue and fail with time. A top latch assembly, you know, that's going to, over time, you know, the gravity and the inner workings of this latch are going to work to fatigue the spring. Pulling it or stretching it doesn't fix the problem. You would definitely not want to do that because it won't behave properly or reliably. There's a link to the manual that's here, and let's fire up that document. The part number that we're working on here is the 090066, and if you do a find function on your keyboard for that part number, you will certainly find the two instances where it shows up. Control F is what the find function is. Shows up twice. Top latch compression spring pack of 10. Part 17 is here. And indeed, that part 17 is our top latch compression spring. It also shows up, so it shows up twice. It shows up for the exit device, the non-fire rated device, and then a second time for the fire rated version as well. So if you're dealing with a fire device, it would be the same spring that's operating up there, 090066, part 17 right here. Okay. So back to the item that we're discussing. The last thing I'd like to point out to you is the link to the manufacturer's page as seen right there. And that document, or that link I should say, is handy because it will allow you to review all of the encyclopedic documents associated with the mighty Von DUPRIN. Their product catalog, a link to the website, lots of encyclopedic documents here, manuals, templates, things of that nature. And then of course all of the Von DUPRIN products that we sell, so on and so forth. Let's finish up this video on... So I'm quite partial to Von DUPRIN, and it's because not only I'm a firm believer in the quality and caliber of their material, but the absolute world-class technical support that you get from those folks. I call them, and it seems like when I call them, and I'm sure they get those calls every day, but it's not the run-of-the-mill question. It's a deep technical question that even they need to refer to some documentation to sort out the answer to. But they do so flawlessly 100% of the time. And if you're going to spend a small fortune on exit device hardware, let's face it, it's required by code. Okay, you're not putting on exit devices because you like the look of exit devices. You're required by code to do that. And so you're mandated to do it if you're the building owner. But you also have a choice. And I would suggest that you consider who it is that will give you the following three the following three tenets to exit devices: quality, availability of exceptional technical support, availability of parts. You want to continue to get useful service out of that significant investment in exit device hardware. And these springs that this client ordered, they're on the shelf. They're ready to ship. Okay. Back to the mandated by code, you cannot have any downtime with a properly operating exit device. You cannot. You can't. It's a violation of code. being able to get parts immediately is, of course, the crucial part, and why I think you should consider Von Duprin for all three of those points. It is not going to be the least expensive exit device, but the cost of that exit device should be measured year 10, not the first month. Okay. Anyway, any questions on the 090066 package of 10 compression springs or any other Von Duprin product? Please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.